समपतित प्रभु नाही ती भुवनी गौरंग करुणा करो दीनहीन जाने. हरे कृष्ण.
Thank you all devotees for joining today. Let's welcome all of you. Say Hari Bol 3 times.
हरि बोल.
Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
Let's also welcome Her Grace Debam Mataji. Mataji is going to take the class today. Let's welcome Mataji also. Say Hari Bol 3 times. Hari Bol.
Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
Thank you, Simeshwar Prabhuji, for engaging me in this wonderful service. Just for my purification and pleasure of Guru and Gauranga. Thank you so much. जय जय नित्य जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंद. जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंद. जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंद. जय सच्चिनंदन जय सच्चिनंदन जय सच्चिनंदन गौर हरि गौर 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 हरि. सच्ची माता प्राणधन गौर हरि विष्णु प्रिया प्राणधन गौर हरि. जय सच्चिनंदन जय सच्चिनंदन जय सच्चिनंदन जय सच्चिनंदन जय सच्चिनंदन गौर हरि. सच्ची माता प्राणधन गौर हरि विष्णु प्रिया प्राणधन गौर हरि. हरि नाम संकीर्तन की जय. शिला प्रभुपाद की जय. So thank you so much, dear devotees, for joining this very auspicious Chaitanya Charitamrut. Very thankful to Simeshwar Prabhuji. He started this, and we are getting nectar every day through your ears, and it's going to our heart and making our life peaceful, right? So it's really amazing. So, and I am assigned for the verses. This is Chaitanya Charitamrut Adi Leela chapter 8 and verse text number 16 to 19. So there are a lot of purport also, and we'll go step by step. So Niru Mataji, you have book, right? You can read, no?
I have.
Okay.
Oh, I can put it on my phone then. I have a Gujarati book. So.
Yeah, you can read in your script, no problem, Mataji.
But no, nobody will understand. I'll put it on
We'll
Melodies and do it.
No, you read yourself. So we'll just take blessings from our parampara. ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितमेन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते जयपताका स्वामिनिति नामिने. नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने. नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषशून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. So we'll go through these verses. So text number 16 is the author receives the orders of Krishna and Guru, and we know Krishnaraj Kaviraj Goswami at the age of 90 he got orders from Guru, means Krishna himself, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Guru, right? So so amazing this chapter. Previous chapter we saw all the 5 features, and now how he receives the mercy, right? Guru is telling something to do, like start Bhakti Viksha, like Simeshwar Prabhuji one time he mentioned, Srila Prabhupada came in the dream and he said, start this Bhakti Viksha and don't stop. So, Guru is provided. He is Jagat Guru. He is giving mercy and how it's flourishing. And Prabhuji is doing so many things, right? Weekends also and temple service. Right? Like he is working in New York. So, really appreciate Prabhuji. It's really wonderful seva. So, verse number text number 16. बहुजन्म करे यदि श्रवण कीर्तन तबुत न पाया कृष्ण पदे प्रेमधन बहुजन्म करे यदि श्रवण कीर्तन तबुत न पाया कृष्ण पदे प्रेमधन. Mataji, you want to recite?
Okay. बहुजन्म करे यदि श्रवण कीर्तन तबूत न पाय कृष्ण पदे प्रेम धन.
Beautiful. Tanya Mataji, Tanya, right? Her name. You want to recite, Mataji, or you want to listen?
I don't know this.
Okay,
sorry.
no problem, Mataji. Just listen. Eventually, you will get all these words and words. Okay. Bahu, many, Janma, words, Kare, does, Yadi, if, Shravana, hearing, Kirtan, chanting, Tabu, still, the, in spite of, Na, does not, Paya, they get, Krishna Pade, unto the lotus feet of Krishna, Prema Dhana, love of Godhead. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai. The translation. If one is infested with the 10 offenses in the chanting of Hare Krishna Mahamantra, despite his endeavor to chant the holy name for the many births, he will not get the love of Godhead. That is the ultimate goal of this chanting. So, purport, I will just read first paragraph, then we will take turn. Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur says in this connection that although one may go on chanting the Hare Krishna mantra for many years, there is no possibility of attaining the platform of devotional service unless one accepts Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. One must follow strictly the instruction of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu given in Sri Shastaka 3. Tirunatapi sunichayena tarorapi shaishnuna amanina manadena kirtaniya sadahari. So here they are talking. We'll just read one paragraph and we'll discuss because there are so many paragraphs. So Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur is himself, he is saying like he is Guru of our dear Srila Prabhupada. Even we are chanting so many rounds all day, but unless we surrender, right? Unless we surrender to Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gauranga, Guru and Gauranga, we always say. So we cannot progress, we cannot get mercy. There is like just we are doing that thing, so nothing is working, right? We cannot get that Krishna Prema Bhakti. 1 minute, I have one friend. 1 minute, just 1 minute. Yeah, sorry. Just okay. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy is very must, right? Without Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy, we cannot reach to Krishna also. It is like Radharani's mercy. Without Radharani's mercy, we cannot reach to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy, like Nityananda Prabhu, and Nityananda Prabhu, without Nityananda mercy, we cannot go to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, without his mercy, blessing, we cannot reach to Krishna. And the ultimate goal of our life is reaching the Krishna, like always serving. It's not like we don't want like mukti. Nobody, Vaishnava, they don't want, they just want service. They want just staying with Krishna all the time, serving devotees, dasanu So here from Shishashtakam, number 3 verse is Trinat api shunichena taroravi saishtuna amanina manadina kirtaniya sadahari. So this is very very famous verse and we should know also this. Everybody should know by heart. So Trinat api sunichena. So Trin means grass. When we walk on the grass, right, on the lawn sometimes. So when we walk, when we step on that grass just, it's so humble, it's so soft, it's so humble, it just goes down, right? It bends down. And when we just step on and then we go ahead, then again they come up. So we have to be humble like that. Unless we are humble, we cannot surrender. See, for surrender, we should have this quality, and humbleness, when I heard in Katha, that is the base of our ISKCON, Namrata, humbleness. More you become, when more we progress in bhakti, devotee become more humble and humble. That's why we see all these Srila Prabhupada disciples, like Yadubara Prabhuji was there like 2 days. So amazing. So looking at them only we can see how they are, right? How they are following their Guru's instructions. So humble, very, very humble. They don't want any man, like, oh, somebody give me respect, or I want so many followers. They are just quiet, calm, right? If nobody is there, they will just stand quietly. When I read on Saturday, Yaduvara Prabhuji was there at 6 o'clock. He came before that and he was just quiet, calm. So humbleness, very, very important. Then only Krishna will please, right? So and tolerant like a tree. If tree, we know in this weather how they are like in this hot weather, snow is also there, but they are tolerant, always staying still, standing tall. So we have to have tolerance like that. They are tolerating sun, rain, or snow, like that. Whatever is problems are coming in our life, we have to also be like that. We should have matra sparshastu kaunteya shitoshna sukha dukkada agama payana nityastam titikshva bharata, right? In Krishna Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says we have to be always equipoise, not too much happy, not too much sad. No, equipoise. Whatever we got by Krishna's blessing, by Krishna's mercy. And if some problem is there, okay, maybe previous birth, this birth, we had some karma, we did something wrong, and we are getting consequences. So then we don't feel sad, right? So we have to just think about that. So Niru Mataji, you want to read next paragraph?
Sure.
Okay.
Right. Here they are also talking that you should be lower than a straw. The dry grass.
Yes, yeah.
Not the red grass.
Yeah.
That is also I was looking at that.
Yeah.
They are talking about the straw.
Yeah.
You have to be humble.
Like that blade of grass, you have to be humbler than that. Like how somebody is stepping on us, if somebody will touch their foot also, us, we'll get angry, right? We'll feel bad. But grass, we are stepping on that, right? When we walk, they don't say anything and they again come up. Like that we don't get any tinge of anything. Like not too much somebody is praising, so be happy, or somebody is criticizing. Like that we have to become. So humble, that is the best medicine if you want to progress in our bhakti. Yeah, Mataji, so you want to go ahead?
One should change the holy name of the Lord in a humble state of mind, thinking oneself lower than a straw in the street. One should be more tolerant than a tree, devoid of all sense of false prestige, and should be ready to offer all respect to others. In such a state of mind, one can change the holy name of the Lord constantly. One who follows this direction, being freed from the 10 kinds of offenses, becomes successful in Krishna consciousness and ultimately reaches the platform of loving service to the personality of Godhead.
Yeah, we just talk about that. So you go ahead, Mataji. Now, next.
Okay. One must come to the understanding that the holy name of the Lord and the Supreme Personality of Godhead Himself are identical. One cannot reach this conclusion unless one is offenseless in chanting the holy name. By our material calculation, we see a difference between the name and a substance. But in the spiritual world, the absolute is always absolute. The name, form, qualities, and pastime of the absolute are all as good as the absolute himself. Thus, one is understood to be an eternal servant of the Supreme Personality of Godhead if he consider himself an eternal servant of the holy name, and in this spirit distributes the holy name to the world. One who chants in that spirit without offense is certainly elevated to the platform of understanding that the holy name and the personality of Godhead are identical. To associate with the holy name and chant the holy name is to associate with the personality of Godhead directly. In Bhakti Rasamrut Sindhu, it is clearly said that Sarva Sevana Mukhe hi Jivadu Swayam Eva Smurati Ada. The holy name becomes manifest when one engages in the service of the holy name. This service is in a submissive attitude began with the one tongue. Sarva Sevano Mukhe hi Jivadu. One must engage his tongue in the service of the holy name. Our Krishna consciousness movement is based on this principle. We try to engage all the members of Krishna consciousness movement in the service of the holy name. Since the holy name and Krishna are non-different, the members of the Krishna consciousness movement not only chant the holy name of the Lord offenselessly, but also do not allow their tongue to eat anything that is not first offered to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. The Supreme Lord declares, you want me to read that? Patram pushpam phalam toyam yome bhaktaya prachyati tad aham bhaktya upahartam asnami
prayatatmanah. Yeah, so read that paragraph also, Mataji. If one offers, should I read? Okay. If one
I can read.
Okay.
If one offers me with the love and the devotion, leaf, flower, fruit, water, I will accept it. Bhagavad Gita 9.26. Therefore, the International Society for Krishna Consciousness has many temples all over the world. And each and every temple, the Lord is offered this food. On the basis of his demands, the devotee chant the holy name of the Lord offenselessly and never eat anything that is not first offered to the Lord. The function of the tongue in a devotional service are to chant the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra and eat prasadam that is offered to the Lord. Hare Krishna.
So beautiful, right? We always talk about this. Patram pushpam phalam toyam and offering. So Kali Kale Namarupa Krishna avatar, right? Krishna came in the form of name. In Satyug he came in Matsya avatar, Vara avatar, right? Narsingha avatar. And then in Treta Yuga Ram avatar. Then Kali Yuga he avatari, he himself descended. Like this there are so many avatar, right? And he came, but in this Kali Yuga, it becomes so simple, like Kalir Doshi Nidhe Rajan Asti Eko Mahan Guna Kirtana Deva Krishna Se Mukta Sangha Paramraja. Shukadev Goswami tells, in this Kali Yuga there are so many calamities, so many dirt, right, contamination, but this Harinam is the solution for everything, and that's why Parikshit Maharaj allowed Kali in this age, right? And here Srila Prabhupada is mentioning about this, how this Nama Rupa Guna Leela, right? Always we talk about that. This Nam is so powerful, it has so much potential. I always talk in my all the classes how it works, right? Krishna in Kaliya Mardan Leela, Krishna was dancing on the tongue, right? And that when he was stepping on the different hoods, all poison were coming out, right? Like that. This tongue is like Kaliya, and Krishna is standing and dancing on that. And when Miss Krishna himself in the form of Nam, like Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And he, that name, when we say that, utter that word, Hare Krishna Mahamantra, he is dancing there on our tongue, and all contamination like Kam, Krodh, Modh, Moha, Mascharya from our heart, it like starts cleansing, it comes out, right? And always I share like this. When we hear that name, Srila Prabhupada emphasized on hearing, chant and hear through your ears. So Krishna goes inside, that Nam goes inside, and he sees so much contamination there, right? And then how can I stay here? And then he comes out. But again and again we are chanting. That's why they say chant first round, then they ask to have 4 rounds, then we take a vow of 8 rounds, 16 rounds, like that, chanting continuously. And then Krishna is going every time, and then he has to stay there, and he is Tribhangadhari, then he is stuck, and then he starts cleansing, like how we clean mirror. First dust comes out, and then slowly it becomes crystal clear. Like that, our heart, all contaminations are coming out, cleans, and then only knowledge is getting revealed, right, through our seniors, through our acharyas, different classes, when we read, by doing loving devotional services. And then we get our self-realization. It starts coming, oh, we are not this body. We don't feel about this body, about like, oh, bodily platform. Earlier we used to think about bodily platform, but now we are thinking about soul, because we are feeding to our soul. Food, always we take care of external body, but the soul, real soul, who is inside, residing, Supreme Personality of your Godhead is also residing beside him. So we are taking of that, right? We're taking care of that. That's why that releasing every day. Why everybody coming from office also we are joining the call and all that? Why? Because we got that taste, higher taste, right? Because it started cleansing, and it comes through mercy of devotees, mercy of Guru, mercy of Krishna. So, and another work is of tongue is eating, right? So earlier we used to eat anything, we didn't know, so without offering also we were eating. And now whatever we bring, we first offer to Krishna, right, to our deities, and then only that's why in Bhagavad Gita, Yagna Shishta Shinasanto Muchante Sarva Kilmisha Ye Taganti Papa Pachanti Atma Karanat. Means if you don't offer and we eat, we are eating sins, because nothing is ours, everything is coming from him, and like we are stealing. If he is the proprietor and everything is from him, instead of offering him, we are eating, means we are eating sins, means we are stealing that. So that's why they say always offer, right? Offer whatever, water, even we buy clothes, we have to offer to Lord. Books, whatever furniture also we get, oh, this is for you, everything. And food, mostly, because every time we are eating food, and that it carries lot of sins in the grains and beans. That's why Ekadashi day also we do nirjala, or not eating beans and grains. So very important points in this verse. So then Patram Pushpa, and he gets pleased with little things. Patram, little tulsi leaf, right? Pushpam, little flower, like but fragrant flower, jasmine, roses, like that, right? Patram Pushpam, Phalam, small fruit, apple, pear, seasonable fruit. Now it is a mango season, so lot of people they do mango festival also. So many mangoes, right? So offering that, we get so much love, right? Whatever we want from others, first we have to give to them, right? And Krishna is the Ishvara Parama Krishna, Satchidananda Rupa, Anadi Radhir Govinda Sarva Karana. He is the cause of all the causes. Whatever we are having, whatever we are getting, means in our life, Even this, I always feel like how we got this association, this movement, right? Srila Prabhupada is so merciful, so compassionate. We are reading Leela in the morning. Amazing how he is transforming this American, Australians, European by his acharan, by his following and looking at them, looking at Srila Prabhupada, they are also following, and that's why we are seeing the result, right? All these gurus, how they are following their guru's instruction. So amazing, right? Just for devotional service, loving devotional service, and Krishna is more pleased with the serving to devotees, Vaishnavas, right? So we have to think about that and always like humble and always chant, but chanting with the love, not like oh just chanting by heart like oh Hare Krishna, not like this. We are calling out if we are talking with someone and we are not looking at them and not giving attention, somebody is talking to us, so how they will feel? Disrespectful. Like that, we are calling out Krishna by name because Kali Kale Namarupa Krishna Avatar. So if we are calling him and not thinking about him, not looking at him, then it is disrespectful. So we have to think about him all the time. Chanting is very submissively, attentively, scrutinizingly, we have to say like chant and think about Krishna. So very, very important thing. So we'll go to next verse. I don't know what's the time. Oh, it's only half an hour now. Okay. So anybody want to talk anything about this? Niru Mataji or who are there? You want to add any point, Mataji?
I'm a bit new, so I'm trying to learn about this.
Okay, no problem, Mataji. Niru Mataji?
No, Mataji, you have covered everything
Okay. Thank you.
nicely.
Okay. So now we'll go to next verse. You want to read, Mataji, that verse?
Today you did not put on the screen, so other people cannot participate.
Oh, yeah. Now, okay, I will read.
No, I would be happy to read, but I'm just saying other people cannot participate because you are not done in the screen.
Oh, yeah, now I have to just go to that and I don't want to miss the screen, so read.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
So you want to change the
Yeah,
slope
verse number
first?
17, you can
17,
read.
right.
Yeah, 17. We'll go fast. One time only we'll read. Because it's only half an hour now. And there are so many
Okay.
beautiful pictures also. We'll just think about that.
Okay, 17. ज्ञानतः सुलभा मुक्तिः भुक्ति यज्ञादि पुण्यतः सेयं साधन शास्त्रे हरि भक्ति सुदुर्लभा.
Okay, Jnanata by cultivation of knowledge, Sulabha easily obtainable, Muktim liberation, Bhuktim sense enjoyment, Yagnati performance of sacrifice, etc. Punyataha and by performing pious activities. So that this sadhana sahastre, execution of the thousands of sacrifice, Hari Bhakti, devotional service, Sudurlabha is very rare. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. By cultivating philosophical knowledge, one can understand his spiritual position and thus be liberated. And by performing sacrifices and pious activities, one can achieve sense gratification in a higher planetary system. But the devotional service of the Lord is so rare that even by executing hundreds and thousands of such sacrifices, one cannot obtain it. So, who are there? Anybody wants to read purport? Sachi Mata is there, Priya Mataji, Sneha Mataji, you want to read the purport?
Hare Krishna Mataji, I cannot see the screen, Mataji.
Oh, okay.
Database, Mataji?
It's a
I
chapter.
will read.
Okay,
can read.
okay. Niru Mataji read. Yeah, sorry.
Prahlad Maharaj instructs, Matira Kuksne Paratah Svato Va Nityo Bhi Padate Gruha Vartanam. Bhagavad Gita 7.530.
Bhagavatam.
Bhagavatam. Okay, and then The next one is
नैस्यमतिं तत्त्वा
Nesham Mastivadat Guru Karmadhitam Sparshu Tanya Nartha Pagamo Yadartha Mahisa Pada Rajobhishekam Nischinkajnanam No Guni Tyavata. That is Srimad Bhagavatam 7.532. These sloka are to be discussed. Their purport is the one cannot obtain Krishna Bhakti or the devotional service of the Lord by official execution of the Vedic rituals. One has to approach a pure devotee. Narottam Das Thakura sings, Chadiya Vaishnava Seva
निस्तरा
Nistara
पायेचे
Payeche Keba,
केबा
who has been elevated without rendering service to pure Vaishnava. It is the statement of Prahlad Maharaj that unless one is able to accept the dust from the lotus feet of a pure Vaishnava, there is no possibility of achieving the platform of devotional service. That is the secret. The above mentioned Tantra Vachana quoted from the Bhakti Rasamrut Sindhu is our perfect guidance in this connection. So Vaishnava Seva is so important.
very
That was
important, right? And our bhakti also started with Vaishnava Seva only. When we came, we started Bhakti Viksha and serving devotees, right? Like it's like potluck, then we cook, we go hearing from Prabhuji's or Mataji's, right? And serving to each other. Then only in association of Vaishnava, then only we can progress. If we think, oh, I got this, now I will stay at home and I will do, doesn't work. But when we come in association, in the group, right, every Saturday, Sunday or Bhakti Viksha program, I used to go to Bhakti Viksha when children were little. So I was waiting for Friday. Every Friday, oh, I will make this and we'll go. And there were Taruni Radha was Mataji was taking classes of children in another room, and I was listening. So relishing and like that only serving devotees. And then I was watching Haripriya Mataji. She was making hot prasadam. Chapati was on time. Hot chapati she was serving. And just looking at them, we learn. And I was thinking, I was asking also Mataji, how come like 30-40 people you make chapati on time? She used to say, my mother used to say, if you want to serve someone, serve with your heart, full heart. And I remember all our group got initiation very fast. Whole Ashish Prabhuji is also there. He was also there in our group that time. So serving Vaishnava, right? When we serve Vaishnava, our intention is to serve and give happiness to others. Give this knowledge. Prabhupada's movement is like that. Srila Prabhupada wants, he was saying to all devotees, give mercy to others. You got benefited, now you have capacity, buy books, distribute. If you can distribute prasad like cookies or something, we can distribute that also. Knowledge, Jare Dekho Tare Ko Krishna Upadesh. So that is real Srila Prabhupada movement, right? So servitorship, and even Nityananda Prabhu, right? Sankarshan, Balram, he has that servitor bhav always. And Hanuman also, Dasya bhav is Hanumanji. How he was serving Lord Ram. So serving is the most important. Serving Vaishnava, then only we can progress in the bhakti, and our chanting will be also very purified. So very important. We will go to next verse. Again 2 verses we have to go. So okay, I will read now. कृष्ण यदि छुते भक्ति भुक्ति मुक्ति दिया कभु प्रेम भक्ति न देना रखे न लुकैया. Krishna, Lord Krishna, yadi, of course, chute goes away. Bhakti, unto the devotee. Bhukti, material enjoyment. Mukti, liberation. Diya, offering. Kabhu, at any time. Prema bhakti, love of Godhead. Na, does not. Dena, give. Rakhena, keeps. Lukaya, hiding. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. If a devotee wants liberation or material sense gratification from the Lord, Krishna immediately delivers it. But a pure devotional service he keeps hidden. So, if devotee, like mostly like Mayavadis we were talking earlier, they are thinking, oh, we can go to that light only. We want that much, like Brahma Jyoti and liberation. But Vaishnav, they don't want liberation. Even Ras Khan in Vrindavan, he was from other religion, right? And he was wearing 200 malas around his neck, and people were asking, you are Muslim, and why are you wearing so much, and why are you chanting this Hare Krishna Mahamantra? He was saying, I took birth in such a lower place, and now one mala will not work, and that's why he was wearing that, always chanting, and he wrote so many bhajans also. So he says, make me the like warm, or make me the Raj in your Vrindavan Dham, so that I will be always in serving bhav. I will be always with the Krishna. At that mood, like these devotees, great Vaishnavas, right? We know Haridas Thakur continuously 23 hours he was chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. And that's why Maya, there is a picture, Maya, like that Hira, she came to make him fall down, but nothing affects, right? When we are very purified or very strict in our rules and regulation, Maya cannot take over. Maya cannot make us fall down. So very important. But here, if people are thinking about liberation, I want this enjoyment, higher enjoyment, right? Then that will give only sense gratification. We will not get the love of Godhead, and our intention is getting the love of Godhead. So not thinking about this material enjoyment or going to higher planetary system, right? Brahmaloka. But there is also how there is an analogy always it is given. You go to hotel somewhere, one place, and stay 3 nights, right? 2-3 nights, and then we pay that much, right? That much credit is there. And then when time is over, we have to vacate. Like that, even we go to Brahmaloka, there also your pious credit is done, and then you have to come back in this Mrityuloka again, and then again you have to start all these things, and ultimately the goal is go back to Godhead. So why to go via? Just Srila Prabhupada gives such a simple process. Simple, but it's not easy. Getting up early in the morning, finishing round, then going to Mangalarti, or doing all these our sadhana, joining all the classes, studying books scrutinizingly, hearing, chanting, everything. It looks simple. We talk, oh, it's simple, but when we do, it's a lot of austerity. It needs lot of determination. So even though we don't want that, go to Swargaloka and again come back. No, we want to stay with Krishna all the time and just serving Krishna with manjaris and right, and Krishna, there is Krishna, and making offering also for him, or dancing with him. So that is our ultimate goal, just staying with Krishna and serving devotees, and serving like ultimate truth, like Krishna. So now next verse is, that is the last verse now, because I think only 15 minutes. Yeah.
That is a long one.
Long one. You want to read, Mataji?
I can read, there is no problem.
Okay, read.
You want to sing first the sloka?
Okay. रचनपतिरगुरुरलम भगवतं युधूनां दैवं प्रियकुलपति क्व च किञ्च किङ्करो वा अष्टैवाङ्गा भगवान् भजतम मुकुन्दो मुक्तिं ददाति कञ्चित् कर्चिति स्मन भक्ति yogam. Rajan, O king, patin, master, guru, spiritual master, alam, certainly Bhagavatam of your Yudhunam of the Yadus, Daivam, God, Priya, near, very dear, Kulapati, the head of the family, Kva, even sometimes, Cha, also, Kinkara, order, career, Va, you, Astu, there, Evam, thus, Anga, however, Bhagwan, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Bhajatam, those who are in devotional service, Mukunda, Lord Krishna, Muktim, liberation, Dadati, gives, Karichit, sometime, Sma, certainly, Na, not, Bhakti Yogam, devotional service. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami, Srila Prabhupada ki jai. The great sage Narad said, My dear Maharaj Yudhishthir, the Supreme Personality of Godhead Krishna is always ready to help you. He is your master, guru, God, very dear friend and head of your family. Yet sometimes he agrees to act as your servant or order carrier. You are greatly fortunate because this relationship is possible only by Bhakti Yoga, and that Lord can give the liberation, mukti, very easily, but He does not very easily give one Bhakti Yoga because by the process of is bound to the devotees. Mataji will not read purport because it will be then 8 o'clock, right? So we'll just
You
discuss.
can do the,
Yeah,
you can talk a little bit.
yeah, just we'll talk about this and then we'll see the picture. I will just show the picture. So, see, here what they are mentioning, he can give mukti, right? He gave Sahajya mukti to Shishupal. We know, right? In that Rajasuya Yajna, he was blaspheming like 100 words, bad words he said, and then he got cut with Sudarshan Chakra and got Sahajya mukti, means he entered, right? In him, Krishna can give this very easily, mukti. But really we want mukti, we want sarupya mukti, like we want to become like, get his roop or enter in the light. No, we want his loving devotional service all the time. And all Vaishnava, their intention is to get this not mukti but his association always. So our ultimate goal, our aim is to go to back to Godhead, where Krishna is residing with Radharani, all Manjiris, right? Everyone is there. There, that is our real home. We came from there because we wanted to enjoy ourselves just separately from Him, right? That's why 8.4 million species are there. So they say there are those many desires we have, that soul has. That's why they are taking birth and punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam, punarapi janme jathare. We are coming again and again in the womb of mother and suffering so much, but still we want to enjoy separately from Him. That's why we are coming here. But that is not our real home. Real home is there, and we don't want liberation also, not like getting all this mukti. And that's why in Vrajadham, if we see these gopas, gopis, even Yashoda Maiya, Nanda Maharaj, how they were serving with so much love, unconditional love, right? They didn't want anything. Even if Krishna doesn't come to steal one gopi's house and he stole in another gopi house, she is thinking, oh, why he didn't come to my place? And then purposely she was talking, oh, I kept that butter there, I don't know, he should not come, like that. Means showing like that, oh, we are complaining about him. But for complaint also they were going to see his face. They were going to say Yashoda Maiya, and then he was coming, right, appearing in front of them. Then they were pleased to looking at his face. So that was their intention. So that bhav, that relationship, like dasya bhav, sakya bhav, shanta bhav, in purport they are mentioning it that they are talking about all these bhav, and Krishna came to enjoy all these rasas, right, and he was enjoying. And they say Krishna can become anything, right? For his bhakta, for his devotee, he can become anything. We know Arjun in the battlefield, he was the charioteer, right? And when charioteer, in the battlefield, so much sound, so much noise is there, right? So they cannot say, oh, move this left side or right side. The person who has bow and arrow, like Arjun, right? He has to touch his foot to move. Oh, he wants to go to left like this, he will go, and right like this, or go straight or stop. So touching, and he takes that position. Krishna took that position, right? For his bhakta, for Shabri, Lord Ram, he ate that like jhute bear. She was touching and checking like it is sweet or not. Her bhav, he looks at his that devotee's bhav, he doesn't see like karma by khichdi. Why Jagannath ji used to go? Because she was making that with so much love. And love is important, doesn't matter how much dollar we are giving or how opulent prasad bhoga we are offering. No, he is our bhav, how much love we have for that. And that should be always our intention. And he does anything for his devotee. And we know in that past time, Durvasa Muni, he came with his disciple, 10,000 disciples, and that was Duryodhana's plan to make them down and they will get cursed by Durvasa. And Draupadi was having Akshay Patra. But at Akshay Patra, so many people can eat. But once she eats, after that, she cannot get the food. And that time was done. She ate and she just washed and kept. And Durvasa Rishi came and Yudhishthir Maharaj said, oh, we have to give food because they came to our place. Mostly when sadhu comes to our place, we serve them, right? We serve with lot of love, lot of things, offerings, flowers, other things also, right? So now what to do? And she was calling out Krishna, hey Murari, only you can, hey Dwarkadish, you only can protect, come and save us, right? And he came and he asked like, I am hungry. She said, already we don't have anything, and on the top of that you are saying I am hungry. And then she said, you have something, go and check. And he saw one grain of rice. He ate half and half for other people in the universe, right? So they thought, oh, they ate kheer, they are so full, and they just left. So he protects. He can do anything for his devotees. Even Chirharan time, like disrobing Draupadi, that Dushasan was disrobing. That time she thought, oh, her all these husbands, they are warrior, they will protect. They could not, right? Because they already become slave. Bhishma, Pitama Bhishma, even Dhritarashtra, king, he did not protect. Even her father's friend, Dronacharya, nobody could. Finally, she just surrendered. Initially, she was holding in her mouth with hand and like this. And finally, she just surrendered fully. Now you are my protector. And Krishna came and he came. She said, you took long time. She said, I was waiting, you will call me, but you said Dwarkadish, I was just beside you. So I came from Dwarka. So, but he is the protector. Only how much surrender bhav we have, right? Everything in our life also, if we see, we are going through so many problems. But if we really surrender unto him and tell him our problem, it gets resolved. And maybe everybody is getting experience, all this experience, right? In our life now, almost everybody is more than decade here. So we know how Krishna takes care of his devotees. So we are not hankering for mukti, we are hankering for bhakti yoga only. Yoga means connection, connecting our desire to his desire. Not like, oh, I want this. No, say, Krishna, it's your mercy, your desire. What is good for me, I don't know. You make it best. And really, we also experience like that. When we really leave it to Him, nothing is in our hand, leave it to Him, He takes care. Somehow or other, some devotee will help, or something we get the knowledge from someone, and our problem gets resolved. So he is the proprietor, His satta everywhere. Only we should realize that, and we should live our life like Krishna is taking. He is the our charioteer. We are just mediator. We are just working. Nothing is in our hand, and we don't want any liberation or any mukti. Just we want bhakti yoga. And actually, I heard in one katha, Krishna got married with Bhakti Maharani, right? And Bhakti Maharani ran. So Krishna is running behind her. So that's why, where is Bhakti? Krishna comes behind that. So that's why Bhakti Yoga, and those Bhakti Yoga in Bhagavad Gita, there's a middle chapter that is a sandwich. In sandwich, two breads are like upward and downward, right? And middle part is the important part. Whatever we make with cheese or potatoes or other vegetables and all that is most important part, right? So that sandwich, the 6 chapters, very important chapters, where he gave the transcendental, very secret knowledge. Just surrender unto me. Manmana bhav madbhakto madhyajimam namaskuru mame vaishase yuktamam atmanam matparayan. You just matparayan, just surrender unto me. I will take care. Ma sucha means he says ananyas chintayantamam ye jana paripasese tesham nityabhiyuktamam Yogakshemam vahamyam. Yogakshemam. I will take care. Whatever you don't have, I will provide you, and whatever you have, I will protect that. So just surrender unto me. And twice he says, Pratijane priyosi me. Same verse. Manmana bhakto madhyajimam namaskru mame vaishase satyam te pratijane priyosi me. Who is like surrender unto me, he is the like most dear to me. So what else? And Srila Prabhupada gave this routine so beautiful, right? Just chant Harinam, give Naam to others, give knowledge, whatever, Jare Dekho Tare Ko Krishna Upadesh, whatever we are talking material thing also, finally we can just relate to Krishna consciousness, relate to Srimad Bhagavatam, our Chaitanya Charitamrita. Now we are getting every day updating our knowledge, so we can relate our life. What happened? Oh. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, your
Yeah,
internet has gone.
Oh, okay. So what's the time? Oh, almost 5 minutes only left. So this Chaitanya Charitamrita, so much nectar, so sweet. Whatever we hear, read, it's just relishing. Our heart is relishing, our mind is relishing. While sleeping also, when we whatever we heard, we remember sometimes that much, so much peace and bliss in our heart. So always join these classes. We have wonderful classes like morning, evening, and even in our temple, even Bhakti Viksha, Simeshwar Prabhuji started so many Bhakti Vikshas. So somehow or other, like new devotees, just continue. You will see lots of difference in life, in our family life, all aspect of life. And it's really amazing. Never forget Krishna. Always remember Krishna, and never quit ISKCON. Always they say, because this is the ultimate thing what we got. Because we are getting very easily, we are not having that much value. But when we have obstacles, we have oppositions, then we have so much value for that. So take most of the advantage of this and make our life also be beautiful, and everybody's life. Whole world is like suffering, like burning in the fire somehow or other. Diseases, job problem, family problem, relationship problem, children problems, right? Make everyone happy, peaceful and blissful. So thank you so much for hearing attentively and joining this class, and thank you Simeshwar Prabhuji for this wonderful opportunity. Hare Krishna. Anybody has any question or wants to add, please. So who are there? Okay. Anybody has anything want to add? Ashish Prabhuji is there. I can see Kavita Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji, very nicely precisely you describe everything, Mataji. Really, you gave a lot of, recited a lot of slokas and everything. Really very good, and we just enjoy it, Mataji. Dandavat.
Thank you so much, Prabhuji, for joining always. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Haribol.
Hare Krishna Mataji, it's a wonderful satsang, and I like that what you emphasize, that the Lord can give liberation very easily, but He does not very easily give one bhakti yoga, because by that process He is bound to the devotee. Bound to the devotee, that's why it doesn't give easily.
Yeah.
We have to work for it.
Yeah. That is our endeavor. Mercy is there in Damodar Leela. He gives mercy. But unless Yashoda Maya does endeavor, and when he says, oh, especially so much like sweating, flowers are coming down, then he gets bound, right? So, very important, our endeavor, Mataji. It's not like, oh, it's miracle, you give money and buy it. No, everybody
That's
has
why
to
He
have
doesn't give
our
easily.
own.
You have to work on it.
Yes. Thank you so much, Mataji.
Thank you. Thank you for Mata.
Haribol Mataji. Okay, anybody? Sachi Mata is also there. Priya Mataji, maybe, I don't know, she is driving. Sneha Mataji. Okay, Tanya Mataji, you are new, so any realizations, anything you want to share, Mataji? Whatever. Anything you want to ask or just share your realizations.
I enjoyed the session and learning more about how we should conduct. So just happy to hear this. Yeah.
Very nice, Mataji. Please join, and you are going to Bhakti Viksha. Please try to go every time, Mataji. You will have wonderful treasure. Within 1 year, lots of changes in your life. If you have family members, also take them also. They will also get an advantage. Children, little children are there. They have lot of grasping power, like sponge, right? When they are little, like sponge, how it takes water very quickly. But once it become hard, right? Ghada, like earth pot, it's soft. We can mold any shape. But once it become hard, it's very difficult to mold. It will break. So children, when they are little, we have to engage them in all these services. Little Krishna books we have, they can read, or take them to Bhakti Viksha. They will see how youth are doing kirtan. Simeshwar Prabhuji's Bhakti Viksha, they have very nice youth kirtaniyas. They will just looking at them, they learn a lot, Mataji. So thank you so much. Thank you for your association and joining the class.
Thank you so much.
Hari Bol. Sachi Mata, Sneha Mataji, Sachi Mata, Kavita Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji, Ramay Pranam, Jai Shri Prabhupada.
All gracious.
Thanks, Mataji, as usual. Strong messages with simple words, very nice, Mataji.
Yeah, it's a conversation, Mataji. It's not whatever. Everybody has, we are in the same boat. Everybody has knowledge. Just it is like I am sitting this side and you are on the screen, right? So, but it's a conversation. It's a loving exchange.
Sometimes when I think I'll just unmute and say something, and by the time you make that point, and I'll be okay. Let's
Because we have same knowledge from our dear Srila Prabhupada.
Very nice,
Very
Mataji.
nice. Thank you so much, Mataji. Thank you for your association. Okay, anybody has any question or Sachi Mata? Long time I didn't hear your voice. You join all classes, morning, evening. Actually, today morning class also, the Madhupati Prabhuji assigned someone. but they were not available, so I gave Shrimad Bhagavatam class also. Very nice, wonderful verse about how to make our children Vena. It is about Vena. Sachi Mata was there in the class. Kavita Mataji, you have anything to ask or?
Very nice class, Mataji. Simple and sweet. To make it things very simple, simplified. Very nice.
Yeah. Prabhupada gave us simple process. We are making complicated. It's really simple. But when we do, it's really tough. But if we do properly, na Mataji, in association, in association in our congregation, right? Then it becomes very simple. How you are going for services, right? DT kitchen service. So you might have realizing that, right? Like
Yes, Mataji.
It's totally different, Mataji. It's like when we go and do cooking for Jagannath Ji, Radha Shyam Sundar, Gaur Nitai, that experience is totally different. We are cooking at home day, night, so many years continuously, but that pleasure we don't get. But when we are cooking for deities, is a total difference, right?
Yes.
So, yeah. So
Very blissful.
very
Very
blissful,
happy.
very blissful.
Hari Bol Mataji.
Hari Bol Mataji. Sachi Mata.
Very nice class, Mataji. I'm at temple service.
Oh, you
So
are
that's
at
why I'm sorry I couldn't.
I
Yes,
know.
sorry, Mataji. Wonderful class as always. Thank you, Hari Bol.
You are always in temple service.
Hari Bol,
So
Hari Bol,
nice.
Mataji.
Hari
Hari,
Bol, Hari
Hari
Bol,
Bol.
Hari Bol.
Mataji, just one question.
Huh.
When we honor prasadam, right? They also say that if you don't offer to God and eat, then you are eating sin, right? It's also because like there are some germs or something, and all small ones will be there. We might be eating something like that. They say, right? I don't know. Is it right?
Like
I don't know.
in Prasad?
Yeah, like when we are cooking, we might be damaging some
Yeah,
germs,
so that's
something
why.
like
Na,
that.
that's why.
Without knowing,
Yeah,
you know.
that's why.
That's another transformation, right? So offering to
So-
God and eating, so we don't eat sin. That's what they say, right?
So
One
lot of people ask this question. Oh, they killing animal. They say you are killing animal and you are cutting vegetable. There are so many germs also, right? And so
Yeah.
like in kitchen
Without
also,
knowing, we don't know. Some
But
things we
without
eat, we
knowing,
just avoid,
yeah, without knowing, lot of germs are also dying while taking shower. Also, hot water killing lot of germs. But
Yeah.
everything, all the activities, when we are doing for pleasure of Krishna, right? Then Krishna says, I will take care. If you are doing for my pleasure, he told to Arjun, right? You just become a mediator. You just take the credit. Leave it to me. Just surrender unto me and do your activities, do your dharma, do your prescribed duty. I will take care. So that's why always what in our ISKCON movement, in Krishna consciousness, what Srila Prabhupada, keep Krishna in the center. Always whatever activities we are doing, just for pleasure of Krishna. This is the world. Now we cannot say, oh, I cannot cook. If there are germs, they are dying, right? I cannot cook. Then we will not eat. But see, this system is so powerful, Mataji. We think we are human, very intelligent. We made these high-tech things and all that. But ultimately, his system is so powerful. How he brings. See, so many people are there in the world. Why we only came in contact to each other? This is the system. Maybe somewhere we were together, and that's why we came. Who is neighbor? How much food, which grain will go to our belly? Everything is already destined, and that is his system. So if we say, oh, I will not cook because germs are dying, I will not take shower, then they will die. But this is the like all circulation. So he is taking care. He is the proprietor. That's why they say keep Krishna in the center. That's all. Do everything for him. So we can say, then we can kill on the name of Krishna. But Krishna says only patram pushpam phalam toyam. He doesn't say like offer me egg, offer me fish. Nowadays, sometimes people say, oh, egg and fish also vegetarian. They think like that. So he never says in Bhagavad Gita, right? And that is the manual of our life. So make all the activities for the pleasure of Krishna, and then we will not get the bindings. We will not get the karma for that, Mataji. Is that
Thanks.
the answer for your question, Mataji, or you?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, Mataji. Yes.
Okay, thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
Hari. Priya Mataji, maybe she is driving.
Hare Krishna,
Okay.
Mataji.
Reach home. Okay. Hari.
Dandavat pranam, all glories to Srila Prabhupada.
All glories to Srila Prabhupada.
What to say, Mataji, this was very sweet class, and others have wonderful realizations, high level thinking, and I mean, it is a very deep and high subject, the ultimate thing. I mean, it is, like you said, we take it for granted, but for me today, simple realizations. Like when I was driving, I was kind of in a low mood. I was thinking, kya life hai? What am I doing? I didn't feel good. I was like, "Arey, घर जाके कुछ बनाना पड़ेगा. What do I cook and eat?" I was feeling that kind of mood. But you correctly at that minute said, "Oh, Prasadam, you have to make it for Krishna. It is so blissful." I said, "Arey, dekho, Krishna gave me one answer. For me, it is something like that, Mataji, very simple."
That's
So
why
I
I'm
was
saying
feeling
his
little-
system is so powerful. Mata Smriti Jnana Vapohanam cha. Who gives buddhi, right? If devotee is saying something, so buddhi Krishna is giving, right? For everyone, he is taking care of everyone. We are just what is that, puppet here. He is making us dance and doing all these things.
Yes, sometimes you feel very purposeless because we are identifying with our material body. That I understand, but it is there. Some days are like that,
I
when
know.
you're thinking,
Because
what
we
am
are
I
in this
doing? I
material
feel like
world.
this.
Yeah.
I feel hopeless, useless, or somewhere something is not right.
Yeah.
And most of the time, sometimes, there are so many anxieties and things going on. But somewhere Krishna gives you one kind of voice from somewhere, right? Mataji, like,
always.
these are the simple guidances that, drive me. Like basically today this was that. I just wanted to tell that because exactly when I was like that, you were talking about how blissful it is to serve for the Lord.
Yeah.
I said I forgot that point. Because I was thinking about myself, I forgot Krishna. And so that
It
is why
happens,
I'm
Mataji.
thinking
It
like
happens with everyone because we are in this material world, right? Maya is always ready to captivate us, and that's why we have like these classes, all these classes. Somehow or other, we get so many notification indications to our life, right? That's why Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya, Nityam, right? Just while cooking, while driving. So it's so amazing, and we are very, very fortunate. We are in this parampara. And
Yes.
wonderful.
And very many people think I go to temple for time pass. Even family they think that kuch karne nahi hai, isliye she goes to.
Because they
make
didn't
it
taste this. They
but
don't.
I don't
have that
know how to explain to them. But no, this is not time pass. This is lifeline. I have to go.
We
This
can
is
pray
my,
for them, Mataji. They will also get this higher taste. See, we cannot go to our service, na? We feel so I don't know. I cannot express that kind of anxiety. We feel, what we did, we could not go like this, right? That's why wherever we get chance, though sometimes Madhupati Prajip calls like 6:29, he calls, Mataji, can you give class? So we should always accept whatever we know we can talk, and Krishna gives that intelligence, right? Service, Mataji, flower service, cooking service, book distribution service, whatever service, it comes to us. It is Krishna's will, Krishna's mercy that is coming, right? Our Guru's blessing, Guru's mercy. We should accept and do whatever capacity we have accordingly.
Yes. And listening also, right? Like this morning, evening, it is very nice also. It is not something like susukam kartum avyayam. That's what I keep thinking. These are all blissful ways of devotion.
Yeah.
We don't have to.
Yeah,
it gave us so much. Like it is like very happy kind of things.
Yeah.
But it is so valuable that, like you said, we don't know the value sometimes because it is very simple.
Very easily available.
Yeah, so
then,
that was very wonderful points, like,
Yeah. We had to take
Yeah.
most of the advantage, Mataji.
Yes,
Thank you
yes.
so much, and make very nice feast for your deities, Jagannathji.
Thank you so much. Hare
Thank you.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Who is this MIS phone? Last time also, who is this iPhone?
Hare Krishna Mataji, my name is Meera.
Yeah, can you turn on the video, Mataji? If it is possible. You come to temple?
No, Mataji, I actually live in Jersey City.
Oh, okay,
I'm not
Jersey. Okay.
very, like, my place is also not very presentable right now.
No problem, Mataji. No
I go to ISKCON of Hudson near Journal Square Station.
Uh-huh.
And I met some people in Rath Yatra and they added me to the morning
Very
Bhagavatam,
nice.
the very early morning.
Uh-huh.
And so I get links for this class as well.
Very nice, Mataji. Very nice. Please join, Mataji. Hearing is the first service of Navvida Bhakti. Hearing makes us like transformation, Hearing and chanting. Srila Prabhupada emphasized on those. Hearing and chanting. Shravanam and Kirtanam in Bhagavatam, right? So
Yeah.
always hearing. From wherever we get knowledge, we should let's capture. No matter somebody is younger, somebody is lower level, higher level, doesn't matter. It is a like transmission of the knowledge from one heart to other heart, right, Mataji? So very
Yes.
nice. Jersey City, we have a lot of devotees from Jersey City. So you can join. We have Jersey City Bhakti Vishas where sometimes I give the class on that. It is on Zoom only.
I
So
see.
you can join them and you can come to our temple also, Mataji. Beautiful darshan of Radha Shamsundar
Is
Jagannath.
it CNJ temple you're at?
CNJ temple, yeah.
We have been actually with our temple people.
Very
We have
nice.
come a few times, like, for the special occasions.
Yeah.
doctor
Now,
visit.
yeah, you can come. We have like on first and second there 10 years for 10th anniversary of installation of our Jagannath Baldev Subhadra and Gaurnita. So you can come and enjoy. Association, Mataji, you will get lot of devotees and we have now, it's like our family. We don't meet all these Matajis we were talking. It's like beyond the family. There is no blood relation, nothing but relation of love. This is ISKCON family. We are under the shelter of dear Srila Prabhupada. If we don't meet, we feel like uncomfortable. Oh, long time we didn't meet. 1 week also we don't meet. We say, oh, kitne saal ho gaye, mile nahi, like this. So you will enjoy, Mataji. A lot of people come from Jersey City. If you come, we'll introduce them also. You will get ride also. They come, they carpool and they come to our temple. And you can join.
For the Sunday program?
Sunday program or so many events we have always. Every week something is there, Mataji, in our temple. Or other than that, we have a lot of services in our temple. You can do so many services also. Services means enjoyable, like flower service, cutting the flowers, making little garlands, or a lot of services, Mataji. Serving service. We started with that, those services. Still we remember, like. So you can come. You are always welcome.
Thank you so much, Mataji. And this class was so lovely, and a lot of things that we need to keep in mind. Like we don't always, to remind ourselves that Krishna, we have to surrender completely to Krishna, and Krishna will take care of everything. Right? It's sometimes Krishna reminds us that through a devotee, like such as yourself. It was such a lovely class, Mataji. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for joining, Mataji. I'm seeing you like in the morning also sometimes and evening also. So try to join every time.
I think, Mataji, your group is different because I see some different people. It seems you are all initiated people, right? Devi Dasi, I see Devi Dasi with your name. In the morning class, it may be for beginners because
No, so what happened? Like we have different classes. Like if you are joining like Simeshwar Prabhuji's class in the morning, so it's not about beginner or something. But we have different like people want to join. Like Niru Mataji, she joins because she wants to continue Srimad Bhagavatam because Prabhuji started that, and in our Srimad Bhagavatam fourth canto is going on. Another Bhakti Viksha, their fifth canto is going on. So, as per our requirement, as per our desire, like which we want to join. So it's not about like beginners or something. It is all same. So
our class is in the morning, like it starts at 5:45.
yeah, you are joining. So good, Mataji. Please continue.
But it's a little early, so I'm not able to join every single time. But I mean, I join when I can.
Yeah.
And, your class is a little later. Simeshwara Prabhuji's class.
I think
Mataji, it's at 6:15 Simeshwar Prabhu's class. If you're interested. The link is the same as like in the evening link only. Whatever now you join is the same link.
Oh, okay. That is good to know. Thank you. Mataji.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can join that, Mataji. Yeah. Okay, Kanika Mataji only left. You want to say something or just we'll conclude? Simeshwar Prabhuji must be in the service. It's Wednesday, na?
Mataji, Mataji, I'm so sorry. I was just doing some housework and I didn't really get to listen as much. But your class is always wonderful, Mataji. You're great, Mataji.
Thank you for joining. Thank you for your association. And this Mataji, she always cleans our temple. Always her son, and she do wonderful service. Always, she is in the service, either in chanting or cleaning the temple. So thank you so much, Mataji, for your wonderful service and your association also.
Thank you so much, Mataji. Thank you.
And thank you for joining every time.
Thank you, Mataji.
Okay, so we'll conclude Mataji and Prabhuji.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Vancha kalpatarubhyasya kripa sindubheva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namah. Vaishnava Vrinda ki jai. ग्रंथराज चैतन्य चरितमृता की जय, शिल प्रभुपाद की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि. Thank you everyone. Hare Krishna. Hari Bol. Hari.